I get my inspiration from nature, from my living, becoming, unbecoming, from being a mother. We are a part of nature. It reminds me that living is a process of creation. I would definitely think it's abstract, it's playful, it's very much grounded in the now. When it's happening, I'm free. Once the work for me is done, it doesn't really belong to me. I thought of them as like these flowers, but more like these organisms that are larger than life, will tower over you, and reminder that you are a part of this landscape that you're stepping into. I like to make what's ordinary extraordinary and give attention to these banal things that we overlook every day, and remember, like, there's magic everywhere. Everything's special if you want to see it that way. My hope is that it inspires wonder and delight. The best thing that I could do is give someone a moment of joy. My name is Cicely Carew. I'm an interdisciplinary artist.